Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Peace be upon you all and welcome to the channel. In this video we will cover the UML diagram for inheritance. We will highlight how to represent inheritance diagrammatically. But before we begin, Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim, Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. والصلاة والسلام على أشرف الأنبياء والمرسلين سيدنا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه ومن تبعهم بإحسان إلى يوم الدين وارض اللهم عنا معهم أجمعين اللهم آمين. اللهم صل على محمد وعلى آل محمد كما صليت على إبراهيم وعلى آل إبراهيم وبارك على محمد وعلى آل محمد كما باركت على إبراهيم وعلى آل إبراهيم إنك حميد مجيد. We begin in the name of Allah, the most merciful in this life and in the hereafter. And we thank Him for all of His blessings that He has bestowed upon us, for they are innumerable. And we pray that we follow in the footsteps of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, and his fellow companions. Amen. We also ask for prayers and blessings to be bestowed upon Prophet Muhammad and his family, Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, and his family, as they were bestowed upon Prophet Ibrahim, peace be upon him, and his family. Amen. So we will I am sorry if I seem distracted, but I just saw an advertisement on a YouTube video regarding the torture that certain owls undergo at Johns Hopkins University. They had a clip of their agonizing screeches, and it it shook me, to say the least. It is very disgusting what they do to animals, but then again, what they do to humans is even more disgusting. Yeah. Anyways, so we have two classes. The animal class is parent and the cat class is the child. So we will create two class diagrams, one for animal and one for cat. And here we will drag it. But for simplicity, I will not create methods, simply instance variables. Possibly a method for the cat class for simplicity. So here we have the animal class, and here we have the cat class. So for animal, we will have, let us say we will have protected, let us say name, which is of data type string, and we can add age of data type int. We will not add methods, mainly because I honestly do not have a method in mind now. The clip was quite disturbing for me, unfortunately. Now, here is the beauty of this diagrammatical representation. Because this class is inheriting these instance variables, you do not need to write them again. You can, however, write the extra or native instance variables pertaining to the child class itself. So we can add here whiskers int as an example, number of whiskers, or actually let us choose a shorter choose a shorter name, fur color, that would be string, and that is it. Then we connect the subclass to the superclass with an arrow like so. This would indicate that cat is inheriting the animal class through this arrow like so. And we can add a method here. Actually, I will not have space. Yeah, there is no need for a method because we simply wish to highlight the relationship between a subclass and a superclass. So the arrow points to the superclass because it inherits the subclass, inherits the superclass. And that is it for this lecture. I hope this video was helpful and beneficial to you all. Enjoy the rest of your day. Be safe, take care, and peace be upon you all. والسلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. اللهم صل على محمد وعلى آل محمد كما صليت على إبراهيم وعلى آل إبراهيم وبارك على محمد وعلى آل محمد كما باركت على إبراهيم وعلى آل إبراهيم إنك حميد مجيد.